Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to view hidden posts on Reddit. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need go to Reddit application. After that we need to find any post and click on these three dots, and after that click hide. After that go to our account in the upper right corner, and here we need to scroll down and click history. After that click recent and click hidden, and here we can find hidden video. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.